Have you ever looked for a quick and easy way to create an underwater text effect in Photoshop? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Hi there everyone, my name is Andrei Marius. I've been working in Photoshop for over 10 years, and in this Envato Tuts tutorial, I'll put my experience to use as I show you step by step how to create this underwater text effect in Adobe Photoshop. This tutorial was originally posted by Daisy on the Tuts website, so check out the link in the description if you prefer a written version of this tutorial. To complete this text effect, you will need this water photo and this fiber font, both from Envato Elements, so make sure to check out Envato Elements, where with a simple subscription you can get unlimited access to millions of creative digital assets such as music, graphics, photos, fonts, and many more. You can subscribe right now with the link in the description. Let's open Photoshop to create a new document. Select pixels from this drop-down menu, set the width to 850 and the height to 650. Make sure that the resolution is set to 72 pixels per inch and the color mode to RGB. Click this button to create your new document, and let's start by adding the water photo. Download it from Envato Elements and simply drag it inside your Photoshop document. Rotate it 90 degrees, scale it to 90%, align it with the top and left edge of the canvas, move it 30 pixels up and to the left, and then press enter to apply the changes. Continue with the horizontal type tool from your toolbar and focus on the character panel where you can set the settings for the text that you are about to add. Select that fiber font, increase the size to 250, replace the text color with 90, 97 and 99. Just click on your canvas and type in underwater. Make sure that your text is aligned to center and then switch to the selection tool. Let's lower the leading to 180 and then press Ctrl and A to load a selection around your entire canvas. Click these two buttons to easily center your text, and then press Ctrl and D to get rid of this selection. Let's move to the layers panel to turn this text into a smart object, which will make it a lot easier to edit the text when needed. Just right click your text and go to convert to smart object. Now press Ctrl and T to rotate your text about 8 degrees. Press enter and return to the layers panel to change the blend mode of your smart object to overlay. As you can see, this changes the appearance of your text on the water. Now to make the text appear affected by the water, we'll use displace filter. Select this water layer from the layers panel. Press Ctrl A to load a selection around the entire canvas. Press Ctrl C to copy the content from your water layer. And now press Ctrl N to create a new document and Ctrl V to paste the content from your water layer. Let's save this new document. Name it Displace. You can close the document and return to your text effect. Remember to press Ctrl and D to get rid of this selection, and then reselect your text smart object and go to Filter, Distort and Displace. Set both of these scale values to 10. Make sure that you have these boxes checked. Click OK and select your displaced document to distort your text. Let's also add a subtle blur for this text, so go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to about 1.5 pixels and click OK. Now the text seems a bit lost under the water, and probably making it a bit darker would fix this problem. One method that you can use to achieve this is by duplicating the text. Just press Ctrl and J and voila. Let's press Ctrl and Z to undo this move so we can try the second method. Because you turn your text into a smart object, you can double click this thumbnail from the layers panel and get access to your original text. In this separate document, you can change the color of your text or even the text itself. For this example, let's just replace the text color with 60, 67 and 69. Click OK. Save this document. And now, as you can see, your text is darker and more legible. For the final touch, return to the Layers panel, select your water layer and press Ctrl and J to duplicate it. Drag this copy in the top of the Layers panel. Change the blend mode of this new layer to screen. Lower the opacity to 20%, and your design is complete. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. Remember to hit that like button as it helps me know that I did a good job. Subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of any new tutorials. I'm Andrei Marius, and I'll see you in the next video.